just heard about the initiative and I believed in it. I believed in a new beginning. Still do. I have to. Remember the essentials. A new start guided by the Pathfinder.
Before the initiative. Some things stick though. Like losing the old man.
You were his second in command. Were you friends too?
Just like they're made of cut glass. I didn't care how smart he was. I think he liked someone not caring.
Why I joined the initiative. The Milky Way was just a corner of a vast universe, a corner of a tiny corner. We're the ones who got to step out of that corner. It's incredible.
I guarded a mass relay for some time. I always wanted to see the other side.
I totally know what you mean.
So will you be joining us on missions?
Oh, that...
All of them. We just need time.
Tan will love that. But if that's your take, that's what goes in. Bandwidth means I'm transmitting in short bursts, so that's all for now. But you can bet I'll have more questions later. This was more fun than I expected. Places where my powers were welcomed. Your father made another one. A friend and mentor who trained you to be a Pathfinder. I prepped for years as your father named Pathfinder and all this mess to fix. Jesus.
Is this good?
On arrival. Just answers.
I find myself in an unusual position. Though I had access to your father's experiences, there is a gap in my understanding.
How so?
He placed a block on portions of my memory array.
And Dad strikes again.
But
Kyle.